Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 here. Here we have a NASCAR Authentic from the 2023 Wave 3, and we have Alex Bowman's 2023 light version of his car. And on the back you get Martin Truex Jr.'s auto owner's car, Ryan Blaney's Lime Cherry body armor car, Chase Elliott's Napa car, and Chase Briscoe's Mahindra Tractor's car of 2023. Let's get Alex Bowman out of the box. So here we have the sticker, and we have a lot of purple, pink, and aqua outlines, along with Alex Bowman's signature, the classic number 48, and the Ally logo, and the Ally name. So here is Alex Bowman's Ally light version of his car. In fact, before we begin, here we have the dark car, which was aired a few episodes ago. So for both of these cars, in 2023, sorry, I have to move some cars, Alex Bowman had a new paint scheme for Ally, and for Ally, they decided to have two different versions of his paint scheme. One is this version where you see him run in the daytime, and this is run during some night races. So the difference is that on the sides here, in his light version, you have his white number 48, white 48, and pretty much the same of the Ally Do It Right. Now, there is a little bit more of the lightish green lines on the side, other than the 48, which has a turquoise line. Turquoise 48, I mean. And you can see the purple is a lot more vibrant with the white, whereas on the night car, it looks like as if there are neon flashes going through, neon streaks of lines going through. You got the HendrickCars.com logo, in which in this one is blue, the other one is black. The back is... Well, the back has the purple on it, and this one, because it's black. The Ally on top is purple on tops of both of these, but right here, the Ally is white. Same pretty much on the side. You got these streaks of lines that end right all the way to the Do It Right logo. Kind of the same for here, like how it is. What makes it cool is that both schemes are very different, although they have the same sponsor. But I think for me, I think the dark one is a lot nicer. But the white one is nice, but I think this one is a lot better. I mean, what do you guys think? Which one is better? I'll give you a 360 view of the light version of Alex Bowman's car. And I think that'll conclude today's episode. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more episodes will come out soon. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.